Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Heartopia not launching or crashing on PC. If the game won't open, crashes at startup, or closes immediately, follow these steps one by one, and this should fix the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Open your library. Locate Heartopia. Right-click on Heartopia and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once the process is complete, try launching the game and see if it works. Solution 2. If the game is still not working, go back to Heartopia in your Steam library. Right-click Heartopia and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. In the Game folder, locate xdt.exe. Right-click xdt.exe and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game again. Solution 3. Next, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver. Once finished, restart your PC and try launching Heartopia again. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. After the update finishes, restart your PC and test the game. Solution 5. Now open the link in the video description. Scroll down until you see x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download it as well. Locate the downloaded files. First, double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms. Click Yes, and wait for the installation to finish. Click Close, but do not restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms. Click Yes, and wait for it to install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After completing all these steps, Heartopia should launch and run without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.